tropa, tara at samahan niyo kaming gumala with our family and friends. First up is Space Museum sa SM North EDSA. Siyempre, bago mapagod sa mahabang lakaran, subukan muna natin ang bagong food hall ng SM North. This time, we will be trying out porke and their delicious Filipino food. After mabusog, diretso na sa Space Museum located sa North Towers ng SM North. You can avail their free pass if you have single or accumulated purchase worth 1,500 pesos from partner tenants. At dahil nakapag-grocery kami nung nakaraan, may 4 passes kami. If you've seen our previous video, Art in Island, very similar sila. An exhibition of lights and sounds. Mas malaki lang ang Art in Island, but hey, this is a good deal considering this is free. Sulit na activity after kumain or mag-shopping sa SM North, libre pa. Prepare your camera kasi kahit maliit lang siya, napakadaming IG-worthy spots dito. Also, don't forget to wear socks kasi before you enter, you have to surrender your shoes. But fret not, if you don't have socks, they are selling a pair for 50 pesos. Buti, naabutan namin ang Space Museum as it ended its run last August 31, 2023. Hopefully, in the future, SM North can bring back Space Museum that brought a lot of fun memories for family and friends. Another gala na naman. This time, we watched Insidious sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Bago manood, kumain muna kami ng dinner sa Max's. This is a weekday, so we both came from work and gutom pa kami nito. Kaya naman, nagpakabusog muna kami. Iba daw ang feeling kapag gabi pinanood ang Insidious sa sinehan. And as a big fan of the Insidious series, we wouldn't miss this chance. Kaya naman, diretso kami sa favorite cinema namin sa Manila Bay, Cinema 7, para sa favorite seats and spot namin. A perfect way to experience Insidious. And speaking of movies, nanood din kami ng Barbie sa Gateway 2. Siyempre, sa kasagsagan ng Barbie Mania, hindi kami magpapahuli. With matching pink outfits, Barbie ready kami for this day. The movie was great and we did not expect the ending. A totally refreshing take on Barbie's story. How about you? Have you seen the Barbie movie? Did you enjoy the story? Share your thoughts in the comment section. At dahil nakahanap kami ng sweet spot sa Gateway para mag-TikTok, very quick dance lang sa trendy videos. You can watch more clips sa aming TikTok and Instagram accounts. Since dumalaw dito sa Manila ang mga pinsan namin with their kids, nilibre namin sila sa Manila Zoo. Second time na namin dito as we visited the zoo earlier this year. Same lang naman ang nandito when we last came, Maganda pa din at nakaka-amaze dahil napakaluwag at napaka-organized. Mas konti din ang tao ngayon kaya mas masayang umikot. Most of the animals are sleeping nang pumunta kami. Buti na lang, yung aviary nila ay puno ng active birds na talagang na-enjoy at ikinatuwa ng mga bata. After ng birds, we went straight ahead to see a lot of reptiles. Na-enjoy ng mga bata makakita ng turtles, pati na rin ng napakalaking crocodile. Meron ding play area dito sa Manila Zoo where the kids can climb and play with other kids. Katabi lang nito ang area ng iba't ibang mga unggoy. Makakapaglaro na ang mga bata, makakakita pa sila ng iba't ibang mga hayop. Make sure din na may medyas kayong dala as shoes are not allowed inside. If you opt to wear your shoes, meron naman silang shoe cover na binibenta. The play area is an amazing part of the zoo, integrating fun and learning at the same time for the kids. Excited sana akong ipakita ang butterfly garden sa mga bata. Sadly, walang butterfly dito sa ngayon. Kaya, diretso kami in checking other reptiles. Nagkaroon din ng chance ang pamangkin ko to hold a snake, which is a very interactive and exciting activity. Marami pa silang ibang nakitang reptile which got them really excited. After ng reptile viewing, konting ikot pa sa zoo at nakakita din kami ng ostrich at Philippine deer. Binalikan din namin ang ibang mga animal na natutulog kanina, kagaya ng tiger at capybara. It was definitely a great experience for the kids. Buti na lang, bago matapos ang pag-ikot namin, ay lumabas na at nagpakita ang elephant, which was a great way to end the tour. Bago matapos ang araw, nag-dinner lang kami sa McDonald's, then we went home. Definitely an unforgettable day. At syempre, hindi matatapos ang galaan kung hindi kasama ang aming friends sa SM North. As a late birthday celebration of our friend Genevieve, we headed over sa Fantastic Baka sa North Towers ng SM North EDSA. Super fantastic ng karne dito, napakasarap talaga. Napakadami din ng side dishes kaya talagang mabubusog ka. Masarap na kainan, masaya din ang kwentuhan as we catch up with our amazing friends. Hindi pa matatapos ang gabi after kumain. After nito, diretso naman kami sa Starbucks for more kwentuhan. Late man nakauwi, hindi kami magsasawang gumawa ng time to create special moments with our friends. Madami pa kaming adventures together, kaya tara at samahan nyo kami sa susunod naming gala. How about you? Where is your next destination? Share them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, follow us on Instagram and TikTok.